Hi everyone, it's Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I'm ill and you wouldn't be able to hear me. Now, that's why I've recorded my voice separately. Easter is just around the corner. That's why I prepared for you 3 DIYs. If you want to stay up to date, please remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell. Remember about the bell. I always forget about the bell. I don't know why. But you won't forget. I'm watching you. Okay, let's get started. For this project we will need yarn, string or rope, cardboard egg, scissors and a hot glue gun. I'm using cardboard egg that is 10 centimeters big. My yarn is called Return of the Mac and it's from Hobbycraft. I'm starting by establishing the length of pieces of yarn that I will need to cut. I have cut 24 pieces of yarn and glued them to the egg. Now, arrange your yarn in groups of 3. You should end up with 8 groups. Start from the bottom of the egg. Take the first group of yarn and flip it over the second group. Then flip it under the third group. Then again over the fourth group and follow the pattern. If you need to do some readjustments, do them as you go. Now, take a new group of yarn and flip it over the second group, then under the third group, and carry on until you will finish. Readjustment is a key in this project. As you can see at this point, the egg doesn't look good, but when you cut off the excess of yarn, it will look much better. Glue ends of the yarn to the egg. Readjust what you think you need to readjust and use a glue if it's necessary. and you finished. At the back, it doesn't look perfect, but all the way around, ah, beautiful. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe. I will place a few more DIYs somewhere here. I don't know where yet, but well, I will. Feel more than welcome to watch them. And yeah, that's all. See you soon. Happy Easter!